Mountains are another source of awe and majesty of Jammu and Kashmir and seem to be challenging mankind to try and overpower the fury they are filled with. Ranging from trekking and hiking to mountaineering to paragliding, they provide a number of exciting and challenging opportunities to enthusiasts. Moreover, during winters, the snow-capped peaks of the mighty Himalayan ranges deliver a complete unique charm, making it more attractive and a hub of adventure spots like skiing and snowboarding. To raise awareness about the significance of mountains along with encouraging their sustainable development, every year Jammu and Kashmir along with the entire world celebrates International Mountain Day. This year too, the Tourism Department celebrated it in a big way in collaboration with Jammu and Kashmir Mountaineering and Hiking Club. Adventure lovers showed their active participation and urged people to exhibit responsible behavior towards preserving mountain ecology.
आपने माउंटेन्स के साथ कोई खिलवाड़ किया तो आपकी ज़िंदगी पूरा ये इकोसिस्टम जो है कायनात में ये दरहम बरहम हो जाएगा। एक बार ये दरहम बरहम हो गया तो आप उसको दोबारा रेनोवेट नहीं कर सकते, आप रिक्लेम नहीं कर सकते हैं। तो ये सब इम्पोर्टेंस आज की डे की ये है कि आप बिल्कुल जाइए, इको टूरिज्म में जाइए, आप माउंटेन्स चढ़िए, जहाँ जाना आपका दिल करता है वहाँ जाइए। लेकिन जो कुछ भी आप कूड़ा कचरा साथ ले जाते हैं, प्लीज़ जैसे आप वहाँ ले गए, चाहे वो खाने की चीज़ हो या पहनने की चीज़ हो, वो आप ख़त्म करने के बाद जो उसका कूड़ा कचरा है वो आप अपने साथ लाइए और नीचे आके उसको डंप कीजिए प्रॉपर वे में।
The biggest function was held at Sher-e-Kashmir International Convocation Center. The theme for this year's International Mountain Day was Sustainable Mountain Tourism. Various stakeholders and small organizations who participated in the event were explained how sustainable mountain tourism contributes to create additional and alternative livelihood options and helps in poverty alleviation and social inclusion. A number of documentary films explaining the importance of mountains and highlighting their tourism potential were screened.
Adventure tourism has tremendous potential. We have the mountains, we have the lakes, we have so many adventure activities, we have some of the finest ski slopes, we have the rivers, we have the streams, we have the forests. There is so much on offer, truly a world on offer. And having so much potential, it's important that we celebrate these mountains, we celebrate the potential that we have, and that is the reason why we've had this event, and in future as well we are having several events. As you know, the winter season is starting. Skiing in Gulmarg is something which is an experience to see. We have some of the finest ski slopes, the finest snow, and this year, for the first time under the LG administration, several other winter destinations shall also remain open.
During the occasion, tented structures and a number of stalls were erected at different places across the territory. Mountaineering equipments along with items related to several adventure spots were displayed at the stalls. Adventure Tour Operators Association of Kashmir also took part in the celebration. The president of the association said that we need to protect our mountains as they have fragile ecosystem that could get disrupted due to our excessive intervention.
पहाड़ों का क्योंकि डायरेक्ट एक वास्ता है पूरी दुनिया के लोगों के साथ, तकरीबन 70% लोग इससे मुस्तफ़ीद हो जाते हैं, न सिर्फ पीने के पानी के सिलसिले में बल्कि इरिगेशन जो भी दूसरी चीज़ें इसके साथ वाबस्ता हैं तो वो पहाड़ ही मैसर करते हैं लोगों से। तो इसकी इफ़ादत और इसकी अहमियत बहुत है हमारी ज़िंदगी में। और दूसरी जो अहम बात जो है वो हमें पहाड़ों की देख रेख करनी है, जहाँ पर हम इसको किसी तरीके से भी नुकसान नहीं पहुँचाएँगे। हमारा ख्याल रखना पड़ेगा एनवायरनमेंट की तरफ, इकोलॉजी की तरफ, इसको मेंटेन करना है क्योंकि इकोसिस्टम जो हमारा यहाँ पर है ये तो बहुत ही फ्रेजाइल है, तो इसकी तरफ हमें ख़ास ध्यान देना है। और आज के दिन में हम एक दूसरे के साथ मिल के बैठ करते हैं, जो बोर्ड मीटिंग्स होती हैं, बड़ी बड़ी मीटिंग्स होती है डिफरेंट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के हवाले से, तो वहाँ भी यही इन्हीं चीज़ों का इरादा किया जाता है कि कैसे हम पहाड़ों को बचाएं, कैसे हम इनके साथ और जुड़ जाएं।
Though celebrated since 2003 with enthusiasm globally, International Mountain Day was first observed in Jammu and Kashmir in 2011 by Jammu and Kashmir Ski and Mountaineering Association. Over the years, as mountain tourism has increased a lot, this day plays a critical role in addressing the issues of mountains, their ecology and sustainability.